Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to solve this given exponential equation. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's focus on this x power negative 1 on the right side. This could be written as 1 divided by x, as you can see in this next step. Now I am going to manipulate this equation by taking a power 1 divided by x on the left hand side and power 1 divided by x on the right hand side as well. And now let's recall the power rule of exponents. Let's go ahead and apply on these x and 1 divided by x. We know if we multiply x times 1 over x is going to give us 1. So therefore the left hand side is going to become 3125 power 1 equals to 1 over x whole power 1 over x. And in this next step, 3125 power 1 is same as 3125. And now let's focus on 3125. And here I have copied it down. Now we can see 3125 is same as 5 power 5. Therefore, I replace this 3125 by 5 power 5 in this next step. And now we are going to apply this basic rule of exponents. We know that our base and the exponents are identical on both sides. So therefore, I can equate 5 equals to 1 over x. Let me write down 5 equals to 1 divided by x, which means that x is going to be 1/5. And here's our solution. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.